So Coco has a pretty large comfort range, I call it, where she can go quite far from her human and she's okay. And some dogs are just like that, and some sort of stay at our heel. Yeah, it's super funny. And then, I either call her or she just turns around like she's doing now and kind of makes her way back. She's like, oh, I guess they're going a different way. So we are now gonna head down to the Sturgeon River. I think this is the Sturgeon River anyways. It's a small little windy river. I'm not sure. That's the only river I know in Sturgeon County, so unless it's the Bellerose River, which I just thought they called it the Bellerose River Walk because it's the Bellerose area, but I don't know. I am making a bunch of assumptions. Good job, guys. Yeah, so I'm not sure if Maggie's been here. I can't remember, but yeah, this is a fairly new park that one of my clients told me about. Yeah, I had never heard of this park, sort of like until about a month or two ago. So it's kind of cool because it is closer to where I'm at, as far as a bigger dog park that's off leash.